If you are running an auto detailing service business, then this video is for you. Hello everyone, welcome back to Pabbly Chatflow. Today we are going to learn how to create WhatsApp chatbot for your auto detailing service business. While running an auto detailing service business, you get a lot of inquiry about pricing, service, availability and whatnot. Replying each inquiry individually would be a time-consuming, hectic task. That's where Pabbly Chatflow make a huge difference. When users send a message, it automates your task and save your valuable time. If you want to know how to create this amazing chatbot for your own business, then let me take you to my screen. Welcome to my screen. As you can see, I have made this chatbot using Pabbly Chatflow. This chatbot will automatically respond to people, collect their details and guide them through the inquiry process. Let me show you its real-time working. For that, I need to open WhatsApp web and over here I will type a message. Hey. As you can see, I got a response reply which welcomed me to Pabbly Auto Dealing. With that, I got few action button which I can choose according to my requirement. Let's say I wanted to cancel my appointment. For that, I will click on cancel appointment. As you can see, I got a response reply in which they are asking me about my booking ID. Let me put my booking ID. As soon as I have entered my booking ID, they have sent me a message in which they confirm that they will update me shortly. With that, they have given me an action button which says menu. As soon as I have clicked this button, I again got my initial message. So yes, as you can see, this chatbot is replying me within second and made my customer experience so much better. If you want to know how to create this chatbot, then let me guide you further. For that, you need to open new tab and type pabbly.com/chatflow. As soon as you search this, you will be landed on pabbly.com page. Over here, you can see there are two different options, sign up for free and sign in. If you are a new user, you can click on sign up for free. As I am existing user, I will click on sign in. As soon as I sign in, I will be landed on all Pabbly app page. Over here, you can see there are 7 different applications, out of which today I am working with Pabbly Chatflow. As soon as you will click on Access Now button, you will be redirected to the dashboard page. Here, you can add and manage all your WhatsApp numbers in one place using Pabbly Chatflow. To add your WhatsApp number, you need to click on top right corner named by Add WhatsApp Number. Inside this, you can see there are two options, WhatsApp Connect and Manual Token Connect. In Manual Token Connect, you need to enter Meta Access Token, phone number ID, WhatsApp Business Account ID manually. But in WhatsApp Connect, you just need to verify Meta Business Manager account and link your WhatsApp business account with it. Not only that, there are many more features on dashboard. Let's see each feature individually. Below dashboard, there is inbox option where you can manage chats without opening WhatsApp separately. After inbox, there is contact option where you can create new contact and manage according to your requirement. After that, there is team queue section where you can assign different tasks to different team members. After that, we have template section where you can create customized template. Below that, there is broadcast section where you can send mass message to bulk of customer with customized template. After that, we have Flow, which is a powerful tool to create chatbot. Below Flow, there is AI assistant, setting and get help. If you want to know each feature individually, we have made separate video for that. Now, as we got to know about each feature, let's get started building this flow. For that, we need to click on Flow button and you will be landed on Flow Builder page. Over here, on the top right corner, you need to click on Add Flow button to create a new flow. After clicking on Add Flow button, you will be redirected to this page. Here, a window is opened named by Flow Start. Inside this, there are 3 key features, keywords, regex, choose template. Let's see each feature individually. Choose template is a feature where you can choose your created template to give personalized touch to your chart. Regex are the regular expression with special patterns or sequence of character used to find, match or filter specific text. Keywords are the trigger message that your customer will put while initiating a conversation. As we got to know about all 3 features, let's get started building this flow. For that, you need to give a meaningful name to your flow. As we are making this chatbot for auto detailing, I will name my bot accordingly as WhatsApp chatbot for auto detailing service. After giving a meaningful name, I will put reject, which will identify what my customer is trying to say. Now, as soon as my customer enter a message, I want to send them a welcome message with a media. For that, I will drag and drop media button from the message section and connect with my flow start. That means as soon as my customer enter a message, a welcome message will be delivered to them with the media. By selecting media, you can make your message much more attractive and interactive. Now I will browse media. I will put a caption of auto dealing. After that, I will put a welcome message. For that, I will click on add content button, and over here I will select text button. After that, I will enter my message as welcome to Pabbly Auto Dealing. Your car glow up starts here. I am Pabbly Bot, your digital assistant. How can I help you today? With that, I will put few action button. For that, I'm going to click add button and enter my text book service. For my next action button, I will add view service menu, and for the third action button, I will add speak to a expert. After adding my action button, I want to give separate message for each action button. For that, let's start with book service. To book a service, I want to ask few questions to my customer. For that, I'm going to drag and drop ask question box from action section and connect with my action button. That means as soon as my customer click on this action button, a question will be asked to them. Over here, I will enter a message like this in which I have asked my customers about their full name. After that, I will select contact custom field as name and format as any. Now you must be thinking how to add contact custom field. For that, you need to first save your file. As you can see, my flow is updated successfully. That means my flow is saved. After that, come with me to the settings section. Here you can see a contact custom field option is given. After clicking on this option, you will be landed on this page. Here you can make as many contact custom field as per your requirement. As you can see, I have made multiple contact custom field. Now I will resume back to my flow. After knowing about their name, I want to know car model, date and time and service packages. For that, again, I'm going to drag and drop ask question box over here and connect with my previous question. Don't forget to connect both your question with each other. Here I will enter my message like this in which I have asked about their car model, date and time, service packages. After that, I will add my contact custom field as details and format as any. As soon as my customer enter all the details, I will send them a message. For that, I will drag and drop and select the text button over here. Here I'm going to write a which tell that their booking has been done with Pabbly and they will receive a reminder before 24 hours of their appointment. So yes, I have completed filling all the details of my first action button. Let's move to our next action button, which is view service. To tell them about our service, I will drag and drop this option and select the text button over here and enter my message in which I will provide details about all the services that we provide with the pricing. With that, I will put two action button by clicking on add button option. Here I will enter menu, and for the next action button I will enter speak to an expert. I will connect my menu button with our initial message. That means as soon as someone clicked on this message, they will get initial message again. After that, we will put details about our last action button. For that, I will again drag and drop and select the text button. As we are putting detail about speak to an expert, I will enter a message that our team will contact them shortly. With that, I will provide them our phone number, email address, so that if they want to contact us, they can contact us with multiple options. I will connect other speak to expert button with this message as well. As you can see, I have successfully added all the desired information that would be needed to run a chatbot for auto detailing service. After that, don't forget to active your flow and save it. As you can see, I got a message that flow updated successfully. That means my flow is ready to run in real time. Not only this, you can create many more chatbots using Pabbly Chatflow. For any doubt, you can contact us on support@pabbly.com. For any query, you can write us on forum.pabbly.com, and for pricing detail, you can visit this website. Now go and create your account and create your first chatbot for free. Thank you so much.